Hi! So this video is really for my family because I wanted to show them the ringtones that I made for them on my new phone. If you are not my family, then you can feel free to stop watching right now, but you can also watch it if you want. And family, I apologize if this gets really long. I tried to do this on my video camera, but the batteries died and I can't find any batteries. And then I tried to film it on my webcam and that got really screwed up. So I'm doing this right on YouTube, and I've never used the editor on YouTube before to actually try and edit a video, so I don't know how much of that I'll be able to do. So if this video is really long, I apologize. And if there's points where I'm just doing things on my phone to get ready to show you that I can't cut out, I'm sorry. So anyway, the first ringtone that I wanted to share with you is the one that I have for my regular. This is my wow. See, this is why I need to edit things. This is my default ringtone. You can take everything I have. You can break everything I am, like I'm made of glass, like I'm made of paper. Go on and try and tear me down. I will be rising from the ground like a skyscraper, like a skyscraper. Okay, and then I will now show you the ringtones that I made for each of you personally. So we'll start with Christian. Christian, this is the ringtone. Oh, before I get to this, that last song was Skyscraper, which is originally by Demi Lovato, but that version was a cover by Luke and Landon. And okay, now Christian, here is the ringtone that I made for you. Okay, and then Mom, this is the ringtone. Oh, I forgot to say who that was by again. That song for Christian was Do You Like Me by all caps. Mom, this is the ringtone for you. Now. But it's real for us. It's real for us. It doesn't matter what the muggles say, 'cause it's real for us. It's real for us. Oh, it's real for us. It doesn't matter what the muggles say, 'cause it's real for us. And that is It's Real for Us by Lauren Fairweather. And now Michelle. This is the ringtone that I made for you. Don't worry, there's no spoilers in it. Chance to try but some remorse. Lost in a sea of synchronicity. Lost, the island called us to our destiny. 15, 16, 23, 42. 15, 16, 23, 42. Okay, and that was Monster Ate the Pilot by the Oceanic Six. And then last but not least, Dad. This is the ringtone that I picked for you. It's not playing. Oh, it's not that one. Here it is. Alright, so that's it. I hope you like the ringtones that I picked out for you. And I'm sorry this video is kind of long. And I'm sorry that Steve was working for part of that. Oh, and that song was Real or Not Real by All Caps. I think you probably see now why I usually edit my videos. Sorry. See you later.